Hello, my name is Amber Daniels. I currently reside in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've lived here all of my life. I currently am working as an investigation worker for DHS. I have worked in this position for 10 years. My job duties are assessing the safety of abused or neglected children. My job is very busy and sometimes very stressful. Sometimes it's very hard to remove children from their homes, but I know that if I'm removing a child, it is very necessary because the home is inappropriate or the caregivers aren't appropriate for the children. I'm also a mother of two children. I have two daughters. I also have two cats and a dog named Sunny, who's my baby. He's a pit bull. I graduated from undergrad with a degree in psychology. I'm very nervous but excited to pursue this Master's of Social Work degree because I know that it'll help me to strengthen my work with my families and the children that I service. I'm looking forward to working with you all this year and hope to talk to you soon.